Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video I'm going to show you a website where you can learn hacking so easily that hackers also don't you want to know about. So it's a so easy website where you can learn hacking, and you can also hack a Wi-Fi passwords, you can hack social media passwords, you can track your friend's location, you can do anything related to hacking you can do in this website. So okay, so I'm going to show you the website. So this is the website called Hacks Planning. So in this website there is a proper lessons, or like in my words it says a proper sections where you can learn different kind of hacking things. Like for example, these are the things you can learn from this website. Once you sign up, once you create your account with this Hacks Planning website, then you can learn those courses. Like you can learn the password, how you can crack the passwords. Then you can learn how to disable or hack the social media accounts. In this section you can learn this, or you can create a virus for some websites. So because a lot of companies pay you for creating a virus for a big, like if you're downloading pirately websites. So the developers or the owners of the digital product, they hire those people to create such a strong virus for that person who are not buying the product and downloading and using the product illegally. So in this case you can learn the virus as well, and you can do anything you like want. So this is such a dangerous website in my opinion. Like if everyone learns the hacking, so then no one's secure in those days. So my suggestion, you can just learn these kind of things only for educational purposes. Like if you want to learn, you can apply for just for entertainment purposes. Do not apply on real life. So it is so dangerous. You will also, if you do this kind of stuff, you will also go in the jail as well. So make sure avoid those things. Just learn for the educational purposes. So that is today for this video. I hope you like this short video. If you need more videos like this, please do subscribe. Also leave a comment. I'm love to read those comments. If you just guys comment on my videos, I just like it. So you can leave a comment or tell me if you need more details or more information about this hacking website, or need more videos. So I will really appreciate if you suggest some things. So okay, so that is much today. I hope you like it. If you like it, do subscribe. So alright, take care and peace. Bye bye.